How to use TikTok Creator Marketplace. To use the TikTok Creators Marketplace, first of all, you have to join and use the TCM as a creator. So, first of all, clear the eligibility hurdles. You simply have to have at least 10,000 followers, and also you must have accumulated 100,000 plus video likes in the last 28 days. And also you must have uploaded at least 3 videos in past 28 days. Then you must be 18 years old or older. You can now proceed to submit your application. You simply have to launch the TikTok application, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on these 3 horizontal lines on the top right, then go to TikTok Studio. From here, you simply have to go to the monetization section. Now, once you're here within the monetization section, you simply have to now go ahead and then select the Creator Marketplace. Once you find it, once you tap on it, you simply have to tap the join and check the eligibility over there. Then complete your profile details and then proceed to manage the paid contracts. You can review offers, submission workflow, and save payouts. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.